Tonight, we're adding some fun light to our set and bringing some depth to our paintings with the help of our new RGB Blacklight Backlight Bar. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, some mounting screws and drywall studs, 2 remotes. Remove the battery tab and your remote is already paired and ready to go. You have your mounting plates, a spare battery, some screws and an Allen wrench, and 2 light bars. This light bar is made out of a die-cast aluminum and is super rugged. Then the back has a fin-like heatsink that helps cool the light and prolong its lifespan. The cable also feels extra durable and seems like it will last a long time. Now you can hang this up using the little mounting brackets or hardware, but I'm wanting to use this as a backlight. So I'm just going to plug this in and put the light at the bottom to light up my area. Plug it in and your light bar lights up. Then you can use the remote to cycle through the colors and select whatever color variant you want. Whether you want blue, green, red, or UV blacklight, this backlight bar has you covered. Literally covered, in whatever color you choose. There are so many light combinations that you'll be sure to find that perfect look for your area. You even have a DIY button on your remote that you can use to customize your light exactly as you want. Me, I got this light to bring an extra dimension to my paintings. I've been working on some light reactive paintings that look different under different lights. Now I'm still learning, but I've got to admit, it looks pretty cool. Cycling through the colors makes the painting look completely different. Then when you switch it to UV, it just glows. And then when you shut it off, the glow in the neon paint is left shining like a starry night. With a little studying and planning, I think I can make some really cool paintings that look completely different under each shade of light. Not to mention, that glow in the dark paint looks so cool after you hit it with the UV light. I've been using these light bars for my other projects too. For instance, these videos. I put it on the ground and use it to cast whatever color I want onto the background, and cast a ton of light. Whether it be for my unboxing set, or for background light in the house, this light looks so good. Before this, I used a little RGB light to light my set. Now, I have full light bars that I can use to light whatever I need. I'm more than happy, so perhaps you will like this light too. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go see what other paintings look cool under the blacklight. See ya!